Unit 2. Access the Internet to browse information. Email operation. Access the Internet. This is divided into 5 types. They are 1. Internet connection. 2. Device. 3. Web browser or app. 4. Navigation. 5. Interactivity. These are further explained by each. 1. Internet connection. You need a way to connect to the Internet. This could be through a broadband connection, a Wi-Fi network, or mobile data on a smartphone. Think of this as your gateway to the World Wide Web. 2. Device. You'll need a device like a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer that can connect to the Internet. A. Web browser or app. Once you're connected, you'll use a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, or a specific app to access websites and online services. For example, you'd use a web browser to visit websites like Wikipedia or YouTube. Or you might use an app to access social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. 4. Navigation. Using a web browser, you can type the address of a website in the address bar, for example, www.microsoft.com, or use a search engine like Google or Bing to find websites by typing in keywords. 5. Interactivity. Once on a website, you can interact with it by clicking on links, filling out forms, watching videos, or reading articles. Websites can offer a wide range of services, from news and entertainment to education and online shopping. Use a search engine. 1. Open your web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you prefer. 2. Navigate to a search engine. The most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. You can type in the URL, such as www.google.com, www.google.com, or www.bing.com, www.bing.com, directly into the browser's address bar. 3. Enter your query. Click on the search bar, usually located in the middle of the page, and type in the keywords or phrase related to what you're looking for. For example, how to make pasta, or weather in Tokyo. 4. Review the results. After pressing the Enter key or clicking the search button, the search engine will display a list of results. These will be a mix of websites, images, videos, and other content related to your query. 5. Click on a link. Browse through the results and click on a link that seems most relevant to your query. This will take you to the webpage where you can find more detailed information. 6. Refine your search. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can try modifying your search terms or using more specific keywords. Search engines often have filters you can use to narrow down results by date, type, etc. Find information on the topic of Internet. This is divided into 5 types. They are: 1. Choose a search engine. 2. Enter your search query. 3. Refine your search. 4. Evaluate sources. 5. Check multiple sources. 1. Choose a search engine. Popular search engines include Google, Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. 2. Enter your search query. Use relevant keywords or phrases. For example, you can type, history of the Internet, or how does the Internet work? A. Refine your search. Use additional keywords or operators to narrow down your results. For example, you can use quotes to search for an exact phrase, or add terms like PDF if you're looking for downloadable documents. 4. Evaluate sources. Look for reputable sources like educational institutions, government websites, or well-known organizations. Be cautious of sources that may have biased or incorrect information. 5. Check multiple sources. Comparing information from different websites can help ensure accuracy and provide a more comprehensive understanding. Register for a web-based email account. 1. Choose an email provider. Popular providers include Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, and iCloud. Each has its own features, so You can choose one that suits your needs. 2. Visit the provider's website. Go to the website of the email provider you've chosen. For example, you can go to Gmail, Mail, Google.com, Yahoo Mail, Mail, Yahoo.com, or Outlook, Outlook, Live.com. 3. Click on Create Account. Look for a button or link that says Create Account, Sign Up, or something similar. Click on it to start the registration process. 4. Fill in your details. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, phone number, and date of birth. Some providers may also ask for a secondary email address or phone number for verification purposes. 5. Choose an email address. Pick a username, the part before the @ symbol that you'd like to use for your email. Make sure it's something you'll remember and that represents you well. 6. Create a password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help keep your account secure. 7. Verify your account. Follow the instructions to verify your account. This usually involves clicking on a link sent to your phone or secondary email address. 8. Complete the setup. Once verified, you may be asked to set up additional features like a profile picture, recovery options, and preferences. 9. Start using your email. Congratulations! You now have a web-based email account. You can start sending and receiving emails, organizing your inbox, and exploring other features offered by the provider. Access email with attachments. Accessing attachments in an email. If you receive an email with an attachment, it's generally stored on your email provider's server until you download it. Here are the steps. Gmail. 1. Open the email. Click on the email with the attachment. 2. View or download the attachment. At the bottom of the email, click on the attachment to view it or click the download icon to save it to your device. Accessing cloud storage attachments. If an email contains a link to a file stored in cloud storage, like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. General steps for email attachments with web links. If the email contains a web link to the attachment, 1. Click the link. It will open in your web browser. 2. Download the file. Follow any on-screen instructions to download or view the file. Replying to an email is simple. Here are the steps to follow, depending on the email service you're using. For Gmail, 1. Open the email. Click on the email you want to reply to. 2. Click the Reply button. You'll find this button at the bottom of the email. It looks like a left-pointing arrow. 3. Compose your reply. A new text box will appear where you can type your response. 4. Click Send. Once you're happy with your reply, click the Send button. Forward an email. Delete an email message. Forward, and here are the steps for forwarding and deleting an email message. For Gmail, to forward an email, 1. Open the email. Click on the email you want to forward. 2. Click the Forward button. This button looks like a right-pointing arrow and is located at the bottom of the email. 3. Enter the recipient's email address. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to forward the email to. 4. Add any additional information. If you want to include a message, you can type it above the forwarded email content. 5. Click Send. Once you're ready, click the Send button. To delete an email, 1. Open the email. Click on the email you want to delete. 2. Click the Delete button. This button looks like a trash can icon and is located at the top of the email. Delete an email message.